أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
ولا تحسبن الله غافلا عما يعمل الظالمون إنما يؤخرهم ليوم تشخص فيه الأبصار.
Do not ever think that Allah is unaware of what the wrongdoers do. He only defers them until a day when the sights stare.
مهطعين مقنعي رؤوسهم لا يرتد إليهم طرفهم وأفئدتهم هواء.
Their necks outstretched, their heads upraised, their gaze unblinking, their hearts void.
وأنذر الناس يوم يأتيهم العذاب فيقول الذين ظلموا ربنا أخرنا إلى أجل قريب نجب دعوتك ونتبع الرسل أولم تكونوا أقسمتم من قبل ما لكم من زوال.
And warn mankind of the day when the punishment will come upon them, and the wicked will say, Our Lord, defer us for a little while, and we will answer your call and follow the messengers. Did you not swear before that there will be no passing away for you?
وَسَكَنْتُمْ فِي مَسَاكِنِ الَّذِينَ ظَلَمُوا أَنفُسَهُمْ وَتَبَيَّنَ لَكُمْ كَيْفَ فَعَلْنَا بِهِمْ وَضَرَبْنَا لَكُمُ الْأَمْثَالَ.
And you inhabited the homes of those who wronged themselves, and it became clear to you how we dealt with them, and we cited for you the examples.
وَقَدْ مَكَرُوا مَكْرَهُمْ وَعِندَ اللَّهِ مَكْرُهُمْ وَإِنْ كَانَ مَكْرُهُمْ لِتَزُولَ مِنْهُ الْجِبَالُ.
They planned their plans, but their plans are known to Allah, even if their plans can eliminate mountains.